Hi, welcome to our Lesson 1 vocabulary video. So some quick reminders. One is to grab some paper and a pen or a pencil to take some notes as we're going. And 2 is to remember to pause the video as needed in order to take some notes, because there is going to be a vocabulary quiz, so I do want you to have those notes handy for during the quiz itself. All right, so our first word is archaeologist. And archaeologists are experts who study the past by examining objects. Archaeologists. Argument. Arguments are the positions that researchers take about a particular topic based on the evidence that they have gathered. You might sometimes see this called a claim or a thesis as well. So that's more me noting. You just need to know about the position that researchers take. Right? But just to make sure we're being consistent. All right, next word, artifact. An artifact is an object made or used by people in the past. Artifact. Bias. A bias is a personal leaning or a preference for our particular outlook, right? And outlooks are how you look at things. So it's a personal leaning or a preference for a particular way of looking at things. Geographer. Geographers are experts who study and create maps of the Earth's natural and human-made features. Geographer. Historian. Historians are experts who study and record the past. Historian. Inquiry. In history, this is the process of exploring the answers to questions about a certain time and place. Inquiry. Prehistoric. Prehistoric just means before written history. Prehistoric. Primary source. A document or other record of past events created by someone who was present during the events or the time period in which they occurred. Primary source. Public policy. Public policy is the laws and regulations that determine how problems can be solved in response to social issues. Public policy. Ritual. Ritual relates to a ceremony, such as a religious ceremony. Ritual. Secondary source. This is our last word, by the way. A document or other record of past events created by someone who was not present during the events or the time period in which the events occurred. Secondary source. All right, just to wrap up some quick reminders. Make sure that you've got the definitions written down before you take the quiz. These are the first part of your notes, and they'll help you understand the text once you get started reading. So they'll be handy, be nice to have handy as you're reading. Okay. Feel free to use your written definitions to help you pass the vocabulary quiz the first time. It's an open note quiz, no worries. Okay. Good luck, and go ahead and get that vocabulary quiz knocked out. I'll see you later.